110.
Good. Okay, 110. Very good. Okay, William. Let's pick another picture here. Okay. Let's see what's next. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, ice cream or cake? You could only pick one.
Cake. I don't
Yeah?
like ice cream. It is cold.
What? Oh no! You don't like ice cream? Crazy. Okay, one more.
I like the bicycle.
Good. What should we do if we have an accident on our bicycle?
I should run away.
Oh, run away. What if you can't? What if you have an accident on your bike?
Oh. I can. I can go to the home with my bike.
Right? What if you can't walk?
We should call the 120.
Oh, good. Yeah. For what? We should call 120 for the
ambulance.
Good. Okay. Ambulance.
Ambulance.
It's good, William. Good job. Good job. Okay.